Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is GetScreen and BeyondTrust. So you get started with the analysis and the comparison. GetScreen is a fast, simple remote access tool made for quick support without downloads. It's run entirely in the browser, making it ideal for freelancers, solo IT pros, and anyone who need to connect with minimal hassle. It's affordable but lacks enterprise-grade features like advanced security control, role-based access, or a detailed audit trail. Talking about BeyondTrust, on the other hand, is a premium-grade remote support platform built for large businesses and a security-focused organization. It offers a deep integration section monitoring, privileged access management, and a full compliance support. However, it comes at a much higher price and has a steeper learning curve. And here's a viral conclusion about this. If you decide, you can simply choose the GetScreen for lightweight, budget-friendly access, or go with BeyondTrust if you need a top-tier security compliance and an advanced remote support tools for a large team. And that's it.